And today we are going to solve this LeetCode daily challenge, map of highest peak. So basically you are given an integer matrix is water of size m into n that represents a map of land and water, and is water is 0 if it's a land, and is water is 1 if it's a water cell. So yeah, you can read the question like any two adjacent cells must have an absolute height difference of at most 1, and a cell is adjacent to another cell if the former is directly north, south, east or west of the latter, and the cells having water are marked with 0. So this is basically a graph problem, and it is using like BFS, not with a single source but more than one source, and sources will be the tiles, not tiles, the cells in which there is water. So what we are doing here is that this problem is about BFS in which there is not one source, there can be many sources, and these many sources are all those cells which contains water. So we can call it multi source BFS. So just basic BFS, if you know, you could solve this problem. So first of all, I'm going to create an array of directions to go to the adjacent nodes, and DIRs I can call it. This is for going to the left side, this is for going to the right side, this is for going to the bottom, and this one is for going to top. Now you can calculate the size of the grid. So what else do you need? Yeah, a height vector which you're going to return, n comma, and a q for DFS, and it will contain the coordinates of the source. So first of all, what you can do is fill this queue, like have all your sources in the queue. Then you can yes, q dot push, and you can push ij if is water is true. Now you can apply the BFS. If q is not empty, then pick the front element of q, then pop this element, then traverse the directions, find the position to which you are going to, and check if it is lying inside the grid. And if it is inside the grid, Then you can mark this also visited. Mm, Also check like if it is visited or not visited. Now you can mark it and push this also in the queue. And you also want to update the height. And finally you can return the height, something like this. I hope I don't get a compile time error. Okay, it is working. So the time complexity will be O of mn, because of this loop, and the inside queue also each node is inserted at most one. So I think, and the total number of nodes are m into n. So O of mn will be the time complexity of the solution. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for receiving notifications in the future. Thank you.